Welcome to Nimbu YouTube channel. In this video, we'll be providing a step-by-step guide on how to set up Nimbu, the online learning management system designed for RTOs in Australia. Whether you're a small RTO or a large organization, Nimbu is an easy-to-use LMS that can help you deliver online training with ease. We'll be covering everything from signing up for a free trial to customizing your training materials. Let's get started. Step 1. Sign up for a free trial. The first step in setting up Nimbu is to sign up for a free trial. You can do this by visiting our website at nimbu.eu and clicking on the free trial button. Once you've entered your information, you'll receive an email with instructions on how to log into your new Nimbu account. Step 2. Set up your organization. Once you've logged into your Nimbu account, the next step is to set up your organization. This involves entering your organization's name, contact information, and other relevant details. You can also customize your organization's logo and branding. Step 3. Add learners and trainers. After you've set up your organization, the next step is to add learners and trainers to your Nimbu account. You can do this by importing a CSV file or by manually entering learner and trainer information. You can also assign trainers to specific courses and create personalized learning paths for each learner. Step 4. Create courses and assessments. Once you've added learners and trainers, the next step is to create courses and assessments. Nimbu LMS allows you to create customizable training materials, including PDFs, videos, and SCORM modules. You can also create interactive assessments, such as self-marking quizzes and practical observations. Step 5. Customize your LMS. Finally, you can customize your Nimbu LMS to meet your organization's specific needs. This includes setting up class schedules, managing learner progress, and exporting data for a VETMISS reporting. Nimbu LMS is designed to be easy to use for all user types, students, trainers, and editors. Thanks for watching this step-by-step guide on how to set up Nimbu, the online learning management system designed for RTOs in Australia. By following these steps, you can create a training program that is effective and enjoyable for all learners. Don't forget to sign up for a free trial of Nimbu LMS today and see how easy it is to deliver online training with ease. Deliver online training with ease. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Nimbu YouTube channel for more education and training content.